Alright, well, I was going through my phone showing a fella photos of my airbrushing work and whatever, and I got thinking, not all of them are on my phone, some are in different groups on Facebook, not different groups, different albums, some are on my wall timeline. Thought I'd just throw together a quick little slideshow and compile them all into one spot for my own use, but I'll post it up on my YouTube anyway, just for something to do. Make it all the way through watching them, well, if not, well, whatever. And this is my setup here in the background. On my paints, I think, up here. Compressor over here somewhere. Got that giant light above my stove. I just set some wood down on it, do all my painting there. I think I'll do a little voiceover on the way through, just whose bike's what and what's what, and I'll do that after. Alright, there's my Lumina, the old winter beater. Will's front fender in the works. His rear fender. Front fender finish, a bit of clear on it. There it is again, it needs to be buffed. There's a miniature I did on a wall for a guy. There it is. That took 3 days to do. My toaster. Other side of the toaster, of course. Tank from my 250 Virago. There's the side of her. All cleared up, ready to rock. Rear fender. That was Greenwood's tank. Greenwood's as well. Front fairing for his Harley. Side covers. Front fender. Tops of the saddlebag. I really like how they turned out. Just a little test piece. Same again, just screwing around on some cardboard. Practice, I guess. Playing with the underlighting and shadows, same with that. Pete V's Superman logo I made. That's a gun case. That was Adam's van I did the front of for his welding company. Another gun case. That was the casket I did for Brian. There's the top plate of it. Nitrous tank. There's the back of my old S15. Front of it. My welding helmet. I think that was the S15 as well. That was Will's tank. My anger management binder. That was something I did for Stillwell in his basement. The S15 again, was not happy how that turned out, but the truck turned out nice. My welding helmet again. There's Adam's van all put back together. Another gun case. That was Todd's tank. Todd's front fender. My new welding helmet. That was a speaker box I did for Dave. T-shirt. I can't remember what the heck that was, but I did it. Will's bike all together. Rifle stock for Corey. I don't know what that was, test piece. More of the shadowing. Playing around, darkening up the eyes and the teeth. That rifle stock again. I don't know what the hell that was. A display tank I did for Brian. Beginning of my tank for the 250. It was Todd's tank. Todd's front fender. His helmet. Corey's welding helmet, the F-bomb. And that was for Clint. And that was for the IDMC, just something on the wall. And that's it. Thanks for watching if you made it all the way through.